Hello kids, welcome back for yet another session of English learning, and today we are going to take up the new sound, that is sound of I, and I sounds E. Just like we have done CVC words with A sound, E sound, and today we are taking up I sound words, and the sound of I is E. Just like the A gives sound, double sounds, A and E has A sound, and I has got E sound, E. So before that, you are supposed to write date, classwork as usual, sound of E as heading, and start with, today we are taking up IT family words, IT, IT, it. Let's start the first word, and first CVC word will be containing the first sound, that is B. B, extend its flick, and from here over we have to come down in a straight line, and this will be I. The pre-flick of I is omitted over here. It is to be written like this. Extend the flick of I and make teeter, and the word is B-it, bit. Bit. A bit is computerized term, small bit. The next word will be starting with the F sound. Extend the flick and make pre-flick and make F like this. This post flick will extend like this and make I in the similar manner as we have done in B, along with B and along with F again. We are supposed to make I like this. The pre-flick of the I is omitted. So extend its flick and make teeter. For it, fit. We can stay fit by exercising, cycling, playing games, skipping rope, and above all, eating healthy food. The next word in this family is starting with H, her sound. H, her, I. Now we have complete I over here along with it. It depends upon the formation of the particular letter. Her, it, hit, hit. The ball is hitting the face of the girl. Do not hit others. Let's write down the next word, and it starts with L sound. Make proper formation. There is a little bit difference between writing I with B and writing I with L. L, it, lit. We can lit candle to remove darkness. A bulb is lit. In the next word, the first sound is cake. Extend its flicks and make I, extend its flick and make teeter. And the word is it, kit. This is a medical kit. This is a sewing kit. And this is a PPE kit worn by the doctors during COVID time. And the next word in this family will be starting with peep sound. Make proper formation of people, I, E, and T, T. Must put dot on the I. P, it, pit. This is the picture of a pit. A man is sleeping in the pit. Let's write the next word starting with S sound. Extend its flick and make I. Extend its flick and make teeter. So, it, sit. This is the act of sit. A man is sitting on the chair and relaxing. And the last word in this family is starting with W sound. Roll your mouth to pronounce W, it, wit, wit. Wit is to make others laugh with your smart conversation. Now repeat the words in the second line starting from the center writing the same words against each other and complete your work in symmetrical order. Keep learning the words with the help of sounds. Thank you.